Hi folks, welcome back. I'm just here at my Auntie Hazel's. She got a lot of rabbits. She's feeding the rabbits now. She just fed them. Doing some work here. We'll take a minute and look at the rabbits. Black rabbits. Alright, trying to look in the camera. I think it's here. Right there, yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's look at the rabbits. There was a lot more than that. They ran off when I started talking. There's some there. Let's take a look. We'll try to get 5 minutes for you, folks. Rabbits. So she only had a couple, and she raised them. Did take good care of them. There's a big one. Look at that one. He's huge. Huge rabbit right there. Yeah. There's one beauty. Full rabbits. All beautiful. Nice. So that's a couple over there. Oh, look at them. They're just eating. I'm 2 feet from these ones. Auntie Hazel's rabbits. And I'll try to walk up. Yeah, right here they're eating right below me. Hi Stanley. I love your rabbits. Look, these ones are nice. One big one right there. There's a lot of big ones. See, there's let's try to see. There's a bunch over here. Some right there. And there. Some down there, way over there too. There's some. Bunch over there. And a bunch down there. There's in a bush. There's lots too. Oh, there's a lot. Let's take a walk over here. Check them out. Nice. Oh, that one's scared. There's a nice rabbit. There's a bunch over here. Oh, one's just relaxing right there. I love your rabbits. Okay. Huh? Can I have one? Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, that's my cousin talking to me. There's a baby. There's a baby. Uncle Stanley working on his vehicle. There's one there. Let's watch them eat for a minute. Oh, I spooked them. There's the big one. Let's try not to spook them. Just about got 5 minutes for you folks. is that? Oh shit, he's probably eating them rabbits. Oh, yeah, they chew them all up. Poor rabbits. Yeah. I'll film you, Hazel, for YouTube. Is that okay? Okay. There's my Auntie Hazel. Yeah. What you doing there, Hazel? Smoke for the animals, eh?
No.
Keep them away.
It kills germs, did you know that?
Huh?
Fire.
What it does?
It kills germs.
Oh, it does. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, around
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coronavirus going on, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Auntie Hazel got lots of rabbits. Oh, I like these rabbits.
I don't know the
Where? Oh, you got some over here? Let's check them out. Oh, there's a big one. Look. Oh, there's the grandpa.
Right there.
That's the mother?
Yeah, there's one.
Oh, that big one. There's the mother.
In there.
Where? Oh, in there?
Yeah, there's
Oh, there's babies? Oh, she got babies in here. How you open it? Oh, right here. Oh, there's the mother. Oh, they ran in the other side. Oh, a bunch of babies.
Okay, there were 2 dogs
Oh.
here.
2 dogs? Oh,
That's how they got in here.
2 dogs got in their pen, chewing up the rabbits.
The one over there.
Yeah.
They got,
Huh?
got eaten.
Oh, darn it.
6 brown ones in there.
Yeah.
Got eaten.
They got eaten?
Yeah, that dog.
Oh, shit. Poor rabbits, they got eat. Dogs are chewing them up. Some people don't tie their dogs up or watch them very good. Sorry to say, folks. There's more rabbits. Nice. There's a big one. Oh, zoom out. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice white one. One more in here. It looks like they're having babies. Yep. There's a rabbit. More rabbits. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to Outdoors with Mike. Hope you all have a good day. Bye for now.